In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a header to an email in ConvertKit. We'll walk through this step by step, and by the end, you'll know how to add either a simple text header or a custom image header to your email templates. First, log into your ConvertKit dashboard. Once you're in, look toward the top of the screen for the main navigation menu. There, you'll see an option labeled Send. Click on Send, and from the drop-down that appears, choose Email Templates. This is where all your existing templates live and where you can create new ones. On the Email Templates page, you have two choices. If you want to start totally from scratch, click on New Email Template. If you already have a template you like and just want to update the header, simply click on that existing template to open it in the editor. For this walkthrough, imagine we're editing an existing template, so go ahead and open one. Inside the editor, let's start with a simple text header. Move your cursor to the very top area of the template. When you click there, you should see a text cursor appear. Now you can type the text you want to use as your header, such as your newsletter title or your brand name. Once you've typed your header text, you'll probably want to change how it looks. Look for the text toolbar, and on the far left, click the paragraph icon. From the drop-down, you can choose Heading 1, Heading 2, or Heading 3. Heading 1 will be the largest, and Heading 3 will be the smallest. Selecting a heading style will also make the text bold so it stands out more. While you're here, you can also adjust the alignment to left, center, or right, depending on your design preference. Now, if you'd rather use an image header instead of, or in addition to, text, here's how. Hover your mouse over the top area of the template again. You'll see a small plus icon appear on the left side. Click that plus icon. A drop-down menu will appear. Scroll down until you find the image option and click it. A pop-up window will open, showing images you've already uploaded to ConvertKit. You can select one of those or choose to upload a new image from your computer. Click the option to upload, locate your header file, and confirm. Once the upload is complete, your image will appear at the top of the email template as your header. You can still edit this image. Look to the right side of the editor for the image settings. Here you can add a URL so the header is clickable, show or add a caption, adjust the width, crop the image, round the corners, change alignment, add a border, and tweak accessibility and advanced options. Take a moment to play with these until the header matches your brand and layout. If you notice a large white space above your header image, you can fix that easily. Click on the image, drag it upward into that empty space, and drop it there. This lets you control exactly where the header sits, so everything looks clean and professional. And that's it. You've learned how to add both text and image headers to your ConvertKit email templates, and how to adjust their styling so your emails look polished and on brand.